Hello, this is your bedtime story in Isaac's Dreamland. We're going to read First Learning Soundbook today, and it's all about words. Choo choo! As you can see, our friends have come to join us to read the bedtime story. Oh, hello! The singing elephant would like to play us his sound. Would you like to hear it? Wow, what a beautiful sound. Shall we read the story? Okay, then let us begin. I hope you're sitting comfortably. This one is going to be so much fun. Bertie Bunny loves to play outside in the garden with his bounciest ball. What sound does a ball make? That's right. The bouncy ball makes a boing boing sound. Shall we go to the next page? Bertie's big toy drum makes lots of loud and noisy fun at playtime. What sound does a drum make? That's right. It makes a bang bang sound. Shall we go to the next page? This mummy duck is taking her ducklings for a swimming lesson. What sound does the duck make? That's right. A duck makes a quack quack sound. Bertie and his mummy love watching the frogs at the pond. What sound do the frogs make? That's right. They make a ribbit sound. Let's go to the next page. Bertie has lots of fun when he goes on a special day out in the car. But what sound does the car make? That's right, it makes a beep beep sound. The friendly train driver is waving hello and tooting his noisy horn as the train chugs by. What sound does the train make? Choo choo, that's right. Well done. Bertie's clock tells him when it's time to put away his noisy toy phone. What sound do they make? The clock and the phone. The owls and the stars come out just as Bertie falls asleep. What sounds do they make? The owl and the star. That was the final page of our bedtime story. I hope we've all settled down and are ready for a good night's sleep. Until next time, night night.